Hello, lovely people, and welcome back to Accidental Adult. It is fantastic to see you here again, and today I'm going to show you how to store and organize your breast milk in the freezer. For storing breast milk, the first thing you need is sterilized milk bags. My preferred brand is Lancino, and I will show you why in a few moments. Fill the bag with your breast milk. I usually pour 180 milliliters in each bag, but this will depend on how much your baby drinks. So if it's 150, for example, just pour 150 to minimize waste. I like to tap the bottom of the bag to make sure all the creases open up. Next, seal just one side of the bag and leave a small gap to let the air escape. Pinch the middle and slowly push the milk towards the gap. It's easier to do this on the table. Push a tiny bit of milk out of the bag and then seal it. This is the best way to get an airtight seal. Also, the less bubbles you have in the bag, the flatter it will freeze, and it's much easier to stack and organize flat bags. If you don't have the desired amount of milk from one pumping session, which happens more often than not, you can mix milk from different sessions as long as they have all been previously chilled. It is not safe to mix milk with different temperatures. You can also store breast milk in the fridge for up to 4 days, so it's easy to always have enough milk to fill the bags. And most importantly, don't forget to label. When freezing, make sure you lay the bag flat. And this is why I prefer the Lancino bags. They freeze much flatter than other brands with the same amount of milk. This is the Medela bag for comparison. If you'd like to buy the Lancino bags, I will leave a link in the description below. When organizing your breast milk in the freezer, I found that it's best to store the bags in groups, otherwise things get pretty chaotic. I organize each month separately and I try to categorize them by week. I use Ziploc bags to group each week, and each Ziploc has more or less 10 milk bags. I do my best to fit as many bags as possible, and it sometimes helps to flip them to make more space. Doesn't always work, but I try anyways. Next, I seal the Ziploc, write the group's date range on the front, and then put it in the freezer. The freezer is organized almost by week, with newer groups at the bottom and older ones at the top, so it's easy to just grab a milk bag from the desired group and then use the milk by date. This organization method works great for me, and I hope it works for you as well, or at least give you some ideas. Please let me know if it does in the comments below. And that is all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button if you did. Subscribe if you aren't already. Thank you so much for watching. And thank you to all the Patreons that support me and this channel. And I'll see you next time.